Hey, my prepper posse. Saturday morning, sale day. I wanted to show you what happened because of the storms we had. You know that beautiful tarp and tent we had out back here? Yeah, Mother Nature, she doesn't play. She twisted this and ripped it into oblivion. Woo! I almost dropped the phone. Sorry about that. Luckily, we were able to get all of this stuff in when it happened, and none of my stuff got ruined. However, getting the back door open until we get this down, we're taking the tarps down, and you know, this twisted mass will go in the trash. Yeah. Yay. So we won't be selling today. We brought the coffee pot and we're making coffee, and we're going to take all this down. But where the door is, this metal is on top of it, so I can't even open the door up. All I can say is thank you that my stuff didn't get destroyed, nothing got broken. But the winds here, it was 80-mile-an-hour winds. There goes the truck door. Yeah. So we're going to be busy this morning getting this all broken down, drink some coffee and enjoy our day and just be thankful. I hope everybody's having a great holiday weekend, 4 days off. It's busy. People are walking around. And people are selling. So it's all good. Enjoy your day. And don't forget to play. See you!